Hey everyone, it's Ryan from Specs by Ryan. We have exciting days at Specs a lot, but today's an extra exciting day as we get to do an unboxing of one of the most iconic frames of all time. Now, this frame, people still talk about to this day. It was probably released in 1989, I think, and was the feature sunglass in the movie Terminator 2 as worn by Linda Hamilton. And since then, it is still talked about. People remember it, all ages. I can't believe how many people still know about this frame. It is by Matsuda, and it is the 2809H version 2. We did carry this, I guess, around 10 years ago when they made another version back then to celebrate the anniversary of the Terminator 2 movie. And it just flew off the shelf right away and couldn't get any more. So very glad that they released more. And let's get to it here. Okay, here we go. So here's the box. I'm going to switch this here to show you what I'm doing. And let's have a look. So first of all, Matsuda always does it up really well. And beautiful. Now that is an eyeglass case, if I've ever seen one. Look at that. One pair of glasses in this massive box. Beautiful. And so as we open it up, let's have a look. This is literally a jewelry box. And let's have a look here. Okay. Look at that. This is something you'd like to cherish forever. Let's open this up. And here's the treasure. Okay. So I'm going to move this to the side here a little bit. Put this over here. So as we see, here we have what appears to be a very classic round shaped sunglass. It's got a very flat lens. And what Matsuda's always been known for is their filigree. Let's see if we can get a little focus in on that there. You'll see all the little fine filigree in the titanium. This, of course, is a charcoal or a dark gunmetal frame. So just a little bit under a black tone. But again, you're going to see all the absolute beautiful filigree in the metal. Beautiful. Very, very simple. Let's see what it looks like with just that. Awesome. This is, you could have wore this 50 years ago. You could wear it 50 years from now is what I usually say. Classic. Will fit virtually almost any face shape. It's round, but a little more on the oval side, which I think suits more people quite easy. And I'm actually wearing my own Matsuda today. One of my most comfortable frames ever. A little small. I love that. Something a little different from all the big frames we wear. So, okay, there is the frame. And now let's get to the fun part here. This guy is what makes this so special. Here we have, look at this side shield. Look at that. This is beautiful. It's almost like having stained glass on the side of your glasses. So, and this even moves. Opens and closes there a little bit. So we've got a spring-loaded action here. I'm going to put this together. Typically, most people will probably just keep the side shield on all the time because that's the whole point of having these, but there's times when you might just want to wear the the frame itself without the side shield. So give me a moment here as I just hook this on. There's one side. Stretch it over to this side here. There. Get the click there. There we go. Look at that. Gorgeous. Like I said, iconic. One of the most iconic sunglasses of all time, especially in cinema. And this is one of 500 released. So these are very hard to get. This one's already spoken for. We'll likely have a follow-up with a gentleman who who saw this that was available and ordered it right away. So we'll go through that with him. Now, the one thing about these is there's no closing the temples. You can move this, but it doesn't move enough. It doesn't move enough to actually close the temple. So again, fashion isn't always practical. We'll live with it. We'll accept it. Let's have a look here. And am I cool or what? This is so deadly. Kind of feel like Linda Hamilton with the guns, holding the gun. Like, she was amazing in that movie. It's from 1989. It's hard to believe it's been that long, but again, so many people all ages remember that movie, remember these specific sunglasses. It's not very often you can get that out of anybody who would remember a certain sunglass from a certain movie from years ago. But this one does the trick. So, like I said, this is very, very limited. There's only 500 of this particular color made. Let me know if you're interested in getting one for yourself, and I will do my best to source one for you. We do have one in the store at the moment other than this one, so we do have one available. We can put a prescription in quite easily, no problem. It's a very easily RXable frame, and I'm very excited. Again, Matsuda is top notch. It is world class. It is legendary. And come see the rest of the Matsuda collection at SPEX by Ryan, and we'd love to show you.